Here's how to change iPhone messages from green back to blue. Now here you can see this message. It says hi and it's green and it says sent as an SMS text message, not a blue iMessage bubble. Now let's change that easily just by hopping into the Settings app on your iPhone. After you're in the Settings app, first just tap on Cellular and toggle cell data off and then back on. This will reconnect to your cell data towers because keep in mind, again, the blue text message bubble goes through your cell data or your Wi-Fi. So let's go back out of here and tap on Wi-Fi and check to see if you're connected to a network. If you're turned off, just toggle Wi-Fi on and connect to a local network. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow and just toggle airplane mode on, wait for a few seconds, and then toggle it back off. Now if these don't fix it, that's no problem. Let's just tap on the search bar at the bottom and we're going to just search for messages and you're looking for the Messages app. After you're within the Messages app, we can always just reset things so that iMessage works by toggling iMessage off and waiting a few seconds and then toggling it back on. You can see it will say waiting for activation as it reactivates that blue text message bubble. Next, just tap on send and receive and make sure it is selected on your phone number and not an email address. Again, choose your phone number on that list. The next thing we'll do is just go back to the beginning of your settings. Let me go all the way back to the beginning. From the beginning of your settings, just tap on General here, and then scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then the next thing we're going to do is reset your network settings. A lot of times this fixes it. So tap on Reset and choose Reset your network settings. Enter in the passcode for your phone, and a lot of times that fixes it. But if it doesn't fix it, what you're going to do is close out of the Messages app and every single other app, and we're going to force restart your phone. To do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Keep holding even though it says slide power off. Just keep holding until the entire iPhone screen goes black. And then after you've held it for a little bit, it'll switch over to a Apple logo. And then you can lift your fingers up and just like that, you've force restarted your phone. This almost always fixes that green text message bubble. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help me out. Thanks, guys.